Hi, thanks for clicking this video. A sub to this channel will be highly appreciated. Oukitel has shown they mean business this year with the unveiling of 3 record-breaking rugged phones at the CES 2025. The 3 phones are Oukitel WP100 Titan, WP200 Pro, and WP300. Oukitel WP100 Titan is currently holding the record for the rugged phone with the biggest battery in the world, with its humongous 33,000 mAh battery, and Oukitel WP200 Pro is holding the record for the rugged phone with biggest RAM in the world, while Oukitel WP300 is the first modular rugged phone in the world. According to the information I have gathered so far, Oukitel WP100 Titan is the world's first rugged smartphone with a 33,000 mAh battery, and it has a built-in 100 lumens projector. The phone will offer over 6 months standby, and it has a projector that can project movies on any surface. It also offers 66 watt fast charging. I would have preferred like 120 watt for faster charging, but 66 watt is pretty decent too. It will run on 4nm MediaTek Dimensity 7300 processor, which will ensure flawless performance. It also has a huge camp light at the back that provides a bright light for camping and other purposes. However, I hope it also comes with a cooling fan because of all the lights. Anyways, moving on to the second rugged phone that was unveiled, which is the Oukitel WP200 Pro. Oukitel WP200 Pro will hold the record for the world's first rugged phone with 24GB of RAM and 1TB of storage, with an innovative detachable earbuds inside. These multifunctional Bluetooth earbuds also offer smartwatch functions, with various sports modes and health tracking tools to monitor your daily activities. Oukitel WP200 comes with a flagship spec of 6.7-inch Full HD AMOLED display, and in terms of camera, Oukitel WP200 will have a 108 megapixel as the main camera. The phone will be powered by the powerful Dimensity 8200 processor, while the Pro version will support expansion of up to 72GB of RAM, which is absolutely insane. The third flagship rugged phone unveiled by Oukitel is the WP300, which is the world's first modular rugged phone in the world. This phone will set a new standard for practicality and versatility. According to the information I have been able to gather, the Oukitel WP100 will include a built-in headphones and a camping light, allowing you to carry only one accessory at a time. You can then detach the rear display and turn it into a watch or a camp light and vice versa, which sounds pretty cool. In terms of specifications, the WP300 comes with a huge 6.8-inch full high-definition display, a 120Hz refresh rate, and it will powered by MediaTek Dimensity 7050 chipset, and it has a 12GB of RAM and 512GB of storage, which are expandable up to 36GB and 2TB. Anyways, that's all I have for now on these 3 powerful rugged phones. What do you think about these phones, and which one are you most interested in? Let me know in the comments below, and make sure you subscribe for more CES 2025 updates as it concerns ridiculous rugged gadgets that will be released this year. And don't forget to leave a like for the algorithm. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.